welcome everyone to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I'm so glad to have you here today. And I'm so glad to be back on the video. And I appreciate you all coming out to listen at me today. And I'm so thankful to have you all back on my video whenever you all see my video. You know, I appreciate everyone that's on here very much. And I want you all to know I come to you with love today. And I'm going to read my scriptures. And the scripture that I will be reading: the work of the righteous will be peace. Effect of the righteousness, quietness, and assurance forever. Isaiah 32:17. Now may the Lord of peace himself give you peace always, in every way. The Lord be with you all. The second Colossians 3:16. 3:16. I will hear God, the Lord will speak, for he will speak peace to his people and to his saints. But let them not turn back to folly. Okay, Psalms 85:8. So may you all be welcome to listen to this. When you all see the video, if it's today, tomorrow, or next week, or whenever, always remember the scripture that I read will help someone somewhere in the future. So I thank you for getting ready for listening to the scripture, okay? And I hope you will enjoy the scripture and read to lead later on, okay? I thank you so much, and everyone's there. So I'm getting ready to I'm going to make a summer drink for you all. And I hope you will enjoy, because we have this.
So she's going to make one Kool-Aid. So she's going to make one Kool-Aid drink, and she's going to make another drink, summer drink.
Okay, so my voice ain't clear, but I'm trying to get it together anyway. So she's telling you the rest of it, okay? So I'm going to get up now, and I'm going to be starting with the big drink. The bigger one will be
the Kool-Aid,
a family size, and then I will make the other one out of the Kool-Aid drink. Will be for anybody. Okay, so I'm getting ready now.
This the Kool-Aid. The one she finna make, the big one, is Kool-Aid. Gonna be Kool-Aid.
Okay, you all, I'm going to be making the Kool-Aid first. Kool-Aid that I'm going to be putting in the apple juice.
Uh-oh, can you? Wait a minute, okay. Apple.
I'm trying to put this in like this, so it won't take a lot of sugar.
So that's apple juice she's putting in there, y'all.
I didn't really have a full one, so it was about less. Well, it's supposed to be 64, so let's say I put about 54, because I think I took about 10 ounces out already. Okay, now a little other orange. This is just regular orange. Any kind of orange soda you want to use is fine. So this is how many ounces is that?
It's 2 liters.
2 liter. I didn't quite use. I used about 1/4 of it. And this I'm putting a ginger ale. So. A little bit more. Ginger ale is so strong. It just popped real good for me. Right now, another different styles and stuff, because they are so much prettier. Now I have this is the Tropical Kool-aid powder. It's already pre-sweetened, so.
Okay, y'all, this is the Tropical Kool-Aid. It's pre-sweetened. It's a tropical one.
So I'm going to take a cup of this in the cup that is made with on top. I'm going to pour it full of this tropical.
Okay, she finna pour Kool-Aid in there now, y'all. This thing is kind of blocking everybody's view what she doing.
Y'all know this is a very good little drink that the whole family can enjoy. Your children, grandchildren, old folks, grandfolks, grandparents, everybody can enjoy it. And put your little ice in it, honey, and put your heels up and say, "Oh my God, this is the good old days." This is my summer special that I'm making. I always make a drink every summer, and I may make it a little bit different. It makes it a little different, but this I knew. I was hoping and praying that I could get back and get this video, and praying that I'll be back in time to try to get some of this stuff going. Because all the holidays are right here. We have one just a few days away that we celebrate. Well, this will be about a cup full that I'm using the top off of the Kool-Aid. Thank you. So I'm going to pour it all in. If I need more, I will put more. But I'm going to stir it up till it works itself together in here. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more ice in here. Let me do it. Here it is. One thing about putting ice in, if it's not as sweet as you want it, you can add extra sugar to it. Because sometimes once you put the ice in, it makes the sweetness go out, even though I do have the sodas in. Okay. So, okay, now I'm going to add a little lemon and oranges. Okay. A little bit more cranberry juice. I have a little bit more cranberry juice. Let's see. So it'll be apple juice, ginger ale, orange, and then some cranberry. Okay. Now, that's about a fourth of this one also. I'll leave it like this. And I'm just going to try more ginger ale.
Wait, you taste, see if it needs some sugar. Sugar. See if it needs some sugar.
Okay. Well, let's cover in here so I can let her put some more in here.
Ooh, please stop it. Please don't waste it.
Okay.
Taste it. So you see if it needs sugar.
You want to taste
no.
it? Y'all, it's so good.
Here. So I know if it needs some sugar. Say that again.
Okay.
I didn't have the camera on. Okay.
Okay, if you can't have a lot of sugar and you're using it for diabetes or something that you can't have much sugar, just buy all of your drinks in zero, and that way you don't have to worry about it. As well as I guess that'll be out. Everything you can buy everything in zero. I think all this stuff. I don't know about the apple juice. You can buy it non-sweet though. But and for us to the soda drinks, buy them in zero, and then you'll have I'll be able to drink the ones that you have diabetes or something that can't have sugar. You will have your sweet sugar in there.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, now I put a big bowl of ice in there, so the more ice I put in, and when the ice melts, it's going to make it less sweeter. So that's why I'm adding this to it also.
So that's 2 cups of Kool-Aid she put in there.
And a cup for the sugar.
2 cups Kool-Aid. She used this, y'all. This is what she
they
used.
do have them come in bigger cans.
Tropical Tropical Kool-aid.
Yeah, the Tropical brand.
This is a tropical punch. Ooh-wee.
Okay, now
Good goo.
I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit of
Here.
one of the oranges in there.
Oh, sorry. Okay, that's enough. I just want a little taste.
Right now, you all, I think between Sam's and Costco, they have the big tall pictures on right now for like $21.
Y'all, this is so good. Ooh, this is good. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, but I tell y'all, this is good. Oh my God, this is so freaking good. She always been making this for a long time. Probably orange juice in it too. There's also supposed to be orange juice in there, y'all.
You should go back and get two of them.
Where are they?
Two of them little juice that everything. Well, if you have the Sunny D, it's a 6.5. So I'm putting in this bigger container. You put what you want to put in there, but this one I'm putting in. This will be like 18, about 20 ounces. Well, these three here will be 20 ounces. Okay. All right.
Yeah, y'all need to taste it. It is so good. I promise y'all. Y'all be wanting to make that all the time for Juneteenth, 4th of July, whatever you want to make it for. Just summer. Just to be making here. Give me a little bit more now. Y'all, it's so good.
This is just this is just for the beauty of the drink, whatever you're putting it in. So now you can put it in the glass that you're serving it in, or you can put it in there with this also. So that's what the purpose of this is, more or less than just making it. Got a little juice in it, but it won't be a lot since I'm not using the big, just little tiny thin pieces. That's all. That's lime. I got here, lime. Okay. I have two little pieces of lime. And this is the another quart of the orange. That's nice. I'm putting in strawberries, a little bit of strawberries also. Lemon, strawberries, lime, and orange. And I'm cutting to put in there, okay? This is, y'all know, this is very, very delicious.
Okay, go on. I had to turn the camera around. Hold on.
This is just to make it look, to give it some color looking, that's all. You can put pineapple juice in it, but I don't have any, so I'm using what I have as usual.
Hey, Coco.
Y'all know this is very, very delicious.
Yeah, this is so good. Oh my goodness. With all the flavors together. Okay, it's apple juice. She put all
right. Okay. That's the big deal. So now, these are my summer drinks for the holidays, for whatever day you want. Birthdays, parties, graduation parties, whatever. And even you can do them for wedding, anniversaries, or whatever. But these are very good, very good drinks to make. They're very easy. But now I didn't have. This is what I call my Kool-Aid drink, and this is one that's in. This is I think it's a 3-gallon jug. I do have a stand.
It's 2 gallon.
2-gallon jug, okay. And I do have a stand for it, but I don't have it in here tonight. So I hope you all will try this one, because it is very good, and your whole family will really enjoy it. Summer drinks. This one I consider as a cool. Thank you so much. This is from Miss Lena's Kitchen. These are my summer drinks for any day, holidays or whatever, and I know you will enjoy them. Until the next video, Miss Lena's Kitchen 2026. Drinks are now available for you all to get started. Thank you so much. I just love you, and I hope you will try it. It's exciting to know. Goodbye now.